When it comes to dealing with pet messes, everyday dirt, and stubborn stains, this BISSELL ProHeat 2X Revolution Pet Full-Size Upright Carpet Cleaner and Shampooer is a game changer. This powerful carpet cleaner is designed to tackle the toughest cleaning challenges, especially for pet owners. With its combination of advanced features and ease of use, it's a must-have for maintaining clean and fresh carpets at home. The BISSELL ProHeat 2X Revolution Pet Carpet Cleaner stands out for its exceptional cleaning capabilities. Equipped with dual dirt lifter power brushes, it effectively lifts and removes embedded dirt and stains from deep within carpet fibers. The brushes rotate and agitate the carpet to ensure thorough cleaning, while the heat wave technology maintains consistent water temperature throughout the cleaning process, enhancing the effectiveness of the cleaning solution. One of the standout features of this carpet cleaner is its antibacterial cleaning mode. This mode not only removes dirt and stains, but also targets odor-causing bacteria hiding in your carpet. This feature is particularly beneficial for pet owners, as it helps to eliminate the lingering smells associated with pet accidents, ensuring a more hygienic living environment. The BISSELL ProHeat 2X Revolution offers multiple cleaning modes to suit different cleaning needs. Deep Clean Mode. This mode provides a thorough clean, ideal for heavily soiled areas and tough pet stains. It uses BISSELL's professional formula to deliver superior cleaning results, comparable to leading rental machines. Express Clean Mode. For those in a hurry, this mode offers a quick clean that dries carpets in about an hour. This is perfect for busy households where you need to use the carpet shortly after cleaning. Ease of use is a significant advantage of the BISSELL ProHeat 2X Revolution. Despite its powerful performance, it is lightweight and easy to maneuver, making it suitable for cleaning large areas without causing fatigue. The 7-foot hose and attached tools make it easy to clean stairs, upholstery, and hard-to-reach areas, ensuring comprehensive cleaning throughout your home. Convenient features. The carpet cleaner comes with several convenient features that enhance its usability. Large water tank. With a 1-gallon tank capacity, you don't have to frequently refill and empty the tanks, allowing for uninterrupted cleaning sessions. Edge sweep brushes. These brushes clean along baseboards and around furniture, ensuring no spot is left untouched. Spot cleaning tools. The included spot cleaning tools are perfect for tackling pet stains and other stubborn spots. The pet stain tool is particularly effective for treating accidents and spills quickly. The BISSELL ProHeat 2X Revolution Pet Carpet Cleaner comes with a range of accessories to enhance your cleaning experience. These include a 7-foot hose, spot cleaning tools, and 2 BISSELL shampoo formula samples. Additionally, it is backed by a 3-year limited warranty, giving you peace of mind with your purchase. BISSELL claims that the ProHeat 2X Revolution outperforms the leading rental carpet cleaning machine, and it does so at half the weight. Based on measurements of color reflectance and the brightness of carpet fibers, this machine delivers professional-grade cleaning results without the hassle of renting a machine. This makes it a cost-effective solution for maintaining clean carpets year-round. Final verdict. The BISSELL ProHeat 2X Revolution Pet Full-Size Upright Carpet Cleaner and Shampooer is a top-notch cleaning appliance that delivers on its promises. Its powerful cleaning performance, antibacterial mode, and user-friendly design make it an excellent choice for pet owners and anyone looking to keep their carpets in pristine condition. Whether you need to tackle tough pet stains, deep clean high-traffic areas, or perform quick touch-ups, this carpet cleaner is up to the task. Key highlights: dual dirt lifter power brushes, deep cleans and removes embedded dirt. Heat wave technology maintains consistent water temperature. Antibacterial cleaning controls odor-causing bacteria. Multiple cleaning modes: deep clean and express clean for versatile cleaning. Lightweight and easy to maneuver, suitable for large areas and easy storage. Large water tank and edge sweep brushes for efficient and comprehensive cleaning. Includes useful accessories and warranty, enhances the cleaning experience and provides peace of mind. If you're in the market for a reliable, powerful, and easy-to-use carpet cleaner, the BISSELL ProHeat 2X Revolution Pet is a stellar choice that will keep your home looking and smelling fresh. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.